His favorite Tupperware. We got Tupperware and toys all over the living room.
I think you want to fall down. Someone fall down and play football. Someone to fall down and play football.
Okay, go fall down and play football.
No. I want to watch that camera and play football with.
Can you say your ABCs?
No, I need to see that.
Say your ABCs so Grandma can see them later.
Oh, see it.
Say your ABCs for Grandma. And there's Joe with the bowl in his head.
I want to play balloon too.
There's Balloon. There's Sam and the Balloon.
I need to.
We're all done.
We're all done.